Hello everyone, today we would like to introduce to you how to open small size secret box with 5 steps. The size of this little box is about 6 centimeters. Looks like a bit of hard to open, but let's try it. Step 1. Slide this part to the right. Step 2. Slide the whole end down. Step 3. Slide this part to the right. Step 4. Push the whole end down again. Step 5. The top comes off and we can see the internals of the box. You can put small things inside, and we'll put marbles inside like this. When you close the box, please slide these pieces back in order. It comes with the instruction, so please be careful not to lose it. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.